Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something shocking. That's right, we're diving into the ever-growing world of portable power, specifically the super popular 300-watt battery generator category. Now these little powerhouses, they're perfect for your all-day tournaments, for camping, for boating, picnics, emergency, or just to keep your gadgets charged on the go. Now, when you think best of the 300-watt battery generators, brands like Jackery and Anchor come to mind. But what about if there was a challenger? Could this brand compete with the reigning champ, the Jackery Explorer 300 Plus? In this corner, weighing in at a surprisingly light 8.3 pounds, we have the undisputed champ of glamping and gadget charging, the Jackery Explorer 300 Plus, known for its smooth design, user-friendly interface, and the ability to keep your drone flying and your coffee maker brewing. The Jackery 300 Plus promises portability and pizzazz. And in the other corner, looking like it just rolled off a construction site, but ready to power your entire workshop, or at least a few lights, we have the heavyweight contender from the green team, the Ryobi 40-volt 300-watt power source. This bad boy leverages Ryobi's extensive 40-volt battery power system, promising rugged reliability and the power to run your tools, and maybe even your tailgate party. It's 4.4 pounds for the 8 amp hour battery and 2 pounds for the unit, for a total of 6.4 pounds. That's 23% lighter than the Challenger. So, who wins this portable power smackdown? Is it the sleek, sophisticated Jackery or the brawny and versatile Ryobi? Let's find out. With the Jackery Plus, we're talking 288 watt hours of capacity, 300 watt continuous output, 500 watts peak. It has multiple outlets, AC, USB Type A, USB Type C with PD fast charging, and a car charger. It's got that nice LCD display, a built-in light, and it's super quiet. Plus, you can hook it up to solar panels for endless power. The Ryobi 40-volt 300 watt, this one's a bit different. It's essentially an inverter that uses your existing Ryobi 40-volt batteries. So the capacity depends on the battery you pop in it. A 4 amp hour battery gives you about 144 watt hours, and this 8 amp hour battery gives you 288 watt hours. Sound familiar? Also 300 watts continuous, 500 watts peak. It's got one AC outlet and 2 USB ports, one Type A and one Type C. LED light at the top, no fancy screen, just a good old-fashioned indicator light. All right, check this out. This is super light, compact, built-in handle, easy to toss it into a backpack, put it in a gear bag, tote, take it to the beach, or just move it around the house or campsite for quick power. It's designed to be used on the go. It even has its own orange power cord with matching branding. That's really nice. Now, the Ryobi itself is pretty small, but you have to factor in the battery, okay? Now, the nice thing about this is you can bring as many of these bad boys as you want. This thing is super light. Now, because these two are separate, it's a little bit tougher to carry around, but you can see size-wise it's significantly smaller, and like I said, 23% lighter. But hey, if you have Ryobi tools, you have the batteries already. This thing is a master of small electronics. We're talking laptops, phones, cameras, drones, portable fans, even a projector for having movie night in the middle of nowhere. It's perfect for camping, tailgating, or just having a backup during a power outage. The pure sine wave inverter means your sensitive electronics are safe. Now the Ryobi, it is also true to its roots. This thing is a workhorse. Look at this, giant fan. Okay, you can charge portable speakers, tablets, whatever you need. It can run a small light or a radio. Of course, it'll run tools as well, but it can do anything that the Jackery does. It's also great for short-term power needs where you already have the Ryobi power ecosystem. You can even run a small blender for a tailgate party. The Jackery usually comes as a complete package. Power station, charger, cables. So the upfront cost is what you see, is what you get. It's available for about $200 on Amazon. It's a dedicated all-in-one solution. Now, one of the things that you can add to this, they have aftermarket solar panels that you can get anywhere from 40 watts up to 500 watts that will plug into this, keep this thing going all day long. Ryobi, on the other hand, is where it gets interesting. If you've already invested in Ryobi 40 volt tools, then you probably don't have to buy the batteries. Okay, you can buy this as a standalone tool for only $100 or about 90 bucks on Amazon. That is a deal. Now, if you want to get the 8 amp hour battery at Home Depot, runs for about 200 bucks. If you go on Amazon, a 6 amp hour battery is 150. They've got knockoffs, 8 amp hours for about $50. So depending on whether you're invested in Ryobi, this could be much cheaper or about the same as this unit. I wanted to throw in a little bonus option here, okay? This is like an extra round that nobody's paying attention to. Maybe call it a sparring round. Okay, so you notice on this one, it has one 120 volt outlet. This one also has one 120 volt outlet. I picked up a couple things just at the local Walmart. Okay, this has two 120 volt outlets and 3 USB ports, and it can plug right in to this 120 volt outlet, so that if you've got like a soccer team or a volleyball team or swim team or somebody with you, you can have all of the kids charging their devices at one time. This will not work on the Ryobi because it covers the USB charger. So this is a power strip. I got this for $15 at Walmart. It's got 3 outlets, plus it has 3 USB outlets. You can plug this into this one. You can plug it into this one too. Again, these are both limited to 300 watts, but if you're charging phones or laptops or something like that, maybe if you're charging tablets, you can expand, you can do a bunch of them with each of these. These two options, keep in mind if you want to expand your electronic charging capability. If you're using tools or coffee machines or something that has a higher wattage, you're going to want to stick with the one outlet so you don't mess up your device. So, after 4 grueling rounds, who takes home the trophy? Who takes home the heavyweight belt of the 300 watt power generator fight? This is not unanimous. This is a split decision. It's a hard one. These two powerhouses are designed for slightly different purposes. If you're looking for a dedicated, all-in-one, grab-and-go portable power station for camping, road trips, light outdoor activities, maybe home backup for small electronics, if you want something sleek, user-friendly, and optimized for sensitive gadgets, this is perfect if you're into image or you're a total nerd like me, okay? But if you've already heavily invested in the Ryobi 40 volt ecosystem, okay, if you need a convenient way to power all of the things you own, this is also pure sine wave technology, so it's safe for your gadgets too. It's practical, it's a versatile choice for any Ryobi loyalist or people looking for more flexibility and faster charging. Ultimately, both of these are fantastic power solutions. It really boils down to your specific needs and what gear you already own. Now, which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit notifications so you can see the next video that I release every week here on Gear Riser. See you next time.